AI, AI. Everyone is talking about AI, but no one is actually talking about how you can actually prepare yourself for this AI revolution, how you can survive. So that's why in this video, I will only talk about how you can prepare yourself for this AI revolution. Without any further ado, let's begin this video. So before moving forward, let us talk about what actually we will going to talk about in this video. So first of all, we talk about what actually the AI revolution is, then the type of the jobs which is available in the market. So I will explain you everything in a detailed way, so just wait for that. Number 3, what you need to do as an employee or as a student. Number 4, how you can actually start. This part of video is very important because in that part I will go to share you a secret weapon for this journey. So that's why watch this video till the end, because this video is not just for your job, this video is your future. Let's begin. So what is actually the AI revolution is? So AI revolution is a kind of a transition. Now transition about what? Transition from manual way of doing the task to the automation. Just think upon, before ChatGPT, we doing everything manually, just building the website manually, applications, images, everything manually. But it's a transition from doing the manual work to the automation. Just imagine, my brothers and sisters, ChatGPT have launched just 2 years back. And just 2 years baby can do that much of thing, then what it will do after 5 years? That is the main question. And that's why you need to prepare yourself for this transition, for this AI era. Let us talk about the type of the job which is available in the market. So basically, my brothers and sisters, there is a 2 dimensions. Whatever job you are doing or you want to pursue, okay, so there is a 2 dimension. Number 1 is a skill level, and number 2, that is reputation level. I will explain you. Skill level means whatever the expertise, whatever the knowledge you need to work in that role. Number 2, that is repetition. Repetition means how many times you're repeating the same work again and again. This is called repetition. Now by crossing these 2 dimensions, we got 4 type of the jobs. And whatever job you want to pursue, whether it is business analyst, data scientist, financial analyst, or a full stack developer, web developer, app developer, all kind of jobs, even in a banking sector, all kind of jobs comes under these 4 category. That is high reputation, high skilled, high reputation, low skilled, low reputation, high skilled, and low reputation, low skilled. I will also explain you why I have choose different colors for these different category. So let's move forward with number 1 category, that is high reputation and high skill. Its name suggests that is high reputation. So these kind of jobs having the highly reputation, it means you are doing the same work again and again, and you must have advanced training and expertise and knowledge about that domain. Example, you can say as accountant, as a radiologist. So as a radiologist, per day you scan lots of images, and to scan that images, to understand the patterns and different concept about these images, you require advanced knowledge. Let us talk about number 2 example. There is accountant. To being an accountant, you require knowledge of accountancy and different aspects of that also. So that's why the problem here is it's highly skilled. This is not a problem. It's a highly repetitive, because AI is advanced, AI is expert doing the repetition task. It's a automation. So that's why these kind of jobs are highly risky in this AI era. So what you need to do, if your job roles, if your desired job role, or if your current job role comes under this category, that is high reputation and high skill. So just try to improve, just try to develop some soft skills that is required for these kind of roles, and just learn the tech tools, AI tools that will relevant for this field. It means if you're scanning the images manually, just learn those tools which is used artificial intelligence technique to images to scan these kind of images. I will explain you how you can actually get that relevant AI tool. So that's how you can stay ahead in this AI revolution. Let us talk about number 2 skill, which is more risky as compared to this. This is highly reputation and low skilled. So these kind of jobs, reputation is high. It means number of times you're performing the task performing the work that is high, but you don't require that much advanced expertise or advanced knowledge about the domain. Example, you can say if you're working as a cashier, if you're working as a data entry operator, so these kind of roles require low skill. You don't need that much expertise. You are doing, but the problem here is it's repetitive. You are doing this work again and again. This is the problem. Now what you can do if your job role comes under this category, that is high repetition and low skill, and definitely AI risk is high, but how you can stay ahead in this AI revolution? Just shift toward to the adjacent roles. It means if you are working as a data entry operator, just turn toward the customer service supervisor, because just face the customer, because if you face the customer, you are asset to the company, right? And your soft skills also improve. Number 2, you can do just learn the AI tools. Definitely as previous, learn the AI tools which is relevant. The point is which is relevant for this category, not for all category, because you require the specific tools for your work, not all tools. Okay, let us talk about number 3 category, which is more safest. I'm not saying that is 100% safe, but which is most safest category from all of 4. That is low repetition, high skill jobs. Example is entrepreneurs. Example is AI researchers. These kind of jobs require your creativity, like designers, AI researchers. So these kind of category require your problem solving skills, your leadership skills, your majority of soft skills. But now you have your already soft skills in this category. So how you can prepare for AI revolution? Brother, just double down your creativity, just double down your leadership, improve, because leadership is not a game of a 1 year. Leadership is not a game of a just you can do and it will work for you. Just consistent effort make you better. So just double down your creativity, double down your leadership skills, increase your way of communication, your way of making the sentences and delivering the speeches. Work upon that, and also learning the AI tools in that role, because in these kind of job roles, which is entrepreneurs, creativity, whatever the tools you can use for hard skills, whatever the tools you can use, just learn that tool also. Let us talk about the final category, that is low repetition and low skill. So repetition is low and skill is also low. Now you're thinking which kind of works, which kind of jobs comes under this? That's kind of cleaner or a delivery agent. So these kind of jobs comes under this category, that is low repetition. Repetition is low and you don't require that much expertise and knowledge about the domain. That's called the low repetition and low skill. For that kind of jobs, what you can do as employee? Just try to develop one skill, that is human service aspect. Just turn your work toward the serving the human. It means personal care. If you are turn your domain to the personal care, then your demand is high in the future, definitely, and AI will lesser impact on your job. That's a way of upgrading you in this AI revolution. Now we have covered all 4. I have said you that I will also explain you that why I have used different colors for these roles. So number 1, that is high repetition and highly skilled. It means number 1 type, kind of accountant, kind of radiologist. So these kind of jobs comes under yellow zone. Red zone, that is highly repetitive and low skilled, kind of cashier and kind of data entry operators. And number 3, that is low repetition, highly skilled entrepreneurs, most safest job, right? AI researchers. And number 4, that is low repetition and low skill, like cleaner and personal care work or kind of delivery agents. So I hope you got my answer. So high repetition, low skill comes under very, very highly risk. Then yellow zone, high repetition, high skilled. Then low repetition, low skilled, and then finally low repetition, high skilled. So that's how the hierarchy of AI risk. Now question that is very important, how you can actually find out that specific and relevant tools for your job role, for your specific work. Basically, brother, there is a secret website that's name is there is an AI for that. Yes, that's the name of the website, that there is an AI for that or not. So this is the name of the website. As you can see over here, that here you can easily figuring out which tools you can use in your work. Just write over here and you will get that tool which will work for you on the behalf of you. Just look over here, my brother, that this tool, that's name is Yahini, just recently launched on the internet, just 1 hour ago, just 7 hour ago. This tool, that is Rankbot, right? 12 hour ago, 14 hour ago, and you can scan it and just you need to write over here and you will get your desired tool. And you can also compare, because here pricing is also mentioned, pricing, rating, everything is mentioned, and how many people save it for later use. You can research on this tool and you will get all tools which is trending in your domain and as well as in a specific work for a specific task. I hope this video found you very informative. If you like my content, just subscribe to the channel, because this channel's aim is spreading the content that is value for your personal growth. Till then, bye. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.